Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. How are we doing? Let's see who's here. Oh, my man. How are you? Good morning. Uh, Munyadin, Iliada, Sarah. Good morning, everyone. Well, actually, good afternoon for us. Good morning in US. Happy Friday to all of you. Right. How are you guys doing? How's the morning? I know Sarah had a good trade. Iliada just had a one trade. She locked out herself. Steven, hi Steven, how are you? Welcome to stream, all of you. Right, okay, just wait for a couple more seconds and then we can start. How are you guys doing on your onboarding there? Yes, I've seen you. Welcome on board, Steve. We're so happy. Another member of family, another team member. We're growing. That's good. And looking forward to do some good learning, creating a lot of things together. One unfunded account wins on paper trading. Good, good, good. Yes, yeah, it was a good trade, Iliada. It was a nice trade, and I really, really like your patience that you stuck with your trade. Okay, guys, we got another 10 minutes to start. Let's start with the high time frame. Yeah, most of you know what I'm looking for since our morning call. I'm bullish. Uh, this all-time high and a previous week high is drawn liquidity. Every time we tapped into these internal fair value gaps, we always bouncing from these ones. You know, these ones over here. There we go. These one. So we got really nice reaction of a, so it's just a matter of time when we're gonna hit a, and then beyond this going to 6 hour. uh, this is the 6 hour FVG I was talking about this morning, and we hold it so nicely. Really nice reaction. So if this candle in another, of course we got another 2.5 2 hours 40 minutes to close this one, but what I'll be looking at is inversion of this 4 hour fair value gap from where the price go rejected this morning in London session. So rejected, tapped into this 6 hour fair value gap, swept all this liquidity here, Asia low, and all that par opening and all that. So nicely inverted these bearish footprints over here, and price start going up. So what I'm looking is now the price in between. We already swapped Asia high, we already swapped Asia low. Now we have a London high, and then obviously a previous week high. On below we have all these weekly opens and previous day lows. We need to see how we let's go back to this high time frame. So we need to see this fair value gap 4 hour, this 4 hour fair value gap that close at 10 o'clock. If by 10 o'clock we able to invert the close above it, then of course we have a very clear drawn liquidity to the previous way high. Going to 1 hour chart, I'll be watching another again 38 minutes. So if we leave this fair value gap here or not, or the price gonna come back all the way down to the 6 hour. Do we have anything in 90 minutes? Yes, this fair value gap that we talked about this morning, and then we just held about this. So this is we just tapped into it, retested, and then just up from there. 15 minutes. What we have in 15 minutes. Yeah, price is just been sandwiched, to be honest, 100 and 150 points. How many points is it since London, all that? Yeah, about 150 points. Been sandwiched between these two fair value gaps, 6 hours and 4 hours, till we invert and clear displacement above or below. Uh, then we can have some clear, a direction where the price want to go. If, for example, by 10 o'clock, 4 hour close here, retest, and then leaving some bullish footprints, some fair value gaps, CISD, and then we look for these all-time high, and then beyond this, so this is the plan so far. If we fail again over here, because it's Friday as well, so most of the liquidity, like session liquidity, is already gone. Highs and lows, obviously we have London, except that is gone. So if price start displacing sharply to the downside, then we have these equal lows over here and previous day low as well. So we need to see how the price reacts. Is a bit tricky at the minute because till we stuck in between these two fair value gaps. So I'll be a little patient. Want to watch how the market reacts, what signs market giving, and then only I take the trade. By the way, I'm already up 3.5 R today. I won't be taking unnecessary risk, and all those trades are on my funded account. So obviously, I don't want to take an unnecessary risk if something is not clear. London was very clear, to be honest. London, the trades I took. I took 3 trades. I go stop out one over here. I think that was the trade. I think, yes. This is how I went long over here, and I go stop out here, and then I took a long, I think on 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I took over here on the inversion of this candle and CISD on this one here. I went long here and 2R, and I'm out. And the third trade I took is from this candle. So when this candle just engulfed all the bullish price action, swapped all the one candle here, retested this bit here, failed, and then the candle closed below this one here. This candle closed below here. That's where I went short. And from here, I was, I think, 2.5 R. That was my stop loss. And I went to all this liquidity here because this part I was watching. I know there was a clear targets to the Asia low, but I don't want to hold on to the Asia lows because my target was hit, and then I was a nice RR as well. So you look 2.5 R. So I was happy, and it actually came to this part and start, going up and all that. So I just don't want to. Yes, it hit Asia low eventually, but that was that. And I was looking at this as well afterwards. I mean, again, ILM and again ILM, Asia high, Asia low ILM. And then I thought, is it going to be our trading? I want to long here when I inverted and close above this here on this candle. I was looking along again and I just didn't go longs. Instead, I went to gym and a park and targeting all the high, and then it could have played nicely. Already maybe a 2R. Yes. Yeah, over 2R, but I didn't take that trade. Anyways, well, that YM is about to take all-time high. Okay, hi Nick, morning. YM is, yes, that's the plan always. I was talking to you guys. Right, let's go on all daily. Yes. I don't know, always from last 2 weeks I've been telling you guys, I don't know why I feel that why I want to hit all-time high, and then we can get like some legs to the downside, like this. And okay, let's see. What are you guys thinking? What your bias is? You looking for longs? You looking for shorts? Or looks like a turtle soup with Asia high? Yeah, Asia high. Okay, we got 3 more minutes till we open. So let's. Yeah, it was. It was clearly. If you look at 5 minutes, Iliada. So, I mean, like, get rid of this. One candle close above, leaving a fair value gap, and just as two candles after that, just inverted all of it. I mean, just clean, very clean trade. It was very clean. There was very clean trade, and yeah, it was nice. So, bit cautious here, though. Let's see how the market opens, and let's see. I mean, I'm still looking bullish price action, maybe tapped into these fair value gap IRL or so, and then just go from there, or maybe just chop as recently New York is always just chop and chop. So maybe something like this, and then we go up. Sweep. Okay, get rid of all these. Okay. Right. Any one of you in the trade already? Oh, 1 minute. Okay, let's see. We have this 15 minutes fair value gap, very tiny fair value gap though. I marked it here with this line. Okay. We have no back-to-back fair value gaps. This is very strong. Again, price rejecting from this 4 hour. It's a very strong reaction every time we come here. So if we invert it, it's going to be very, very fast move to the upside, because think about that, lots of stops and a lot of sellers are trapped up over here. And when the stops are triggered, it's going to be explosive move to the upside. That's what I think. Okay, guys, markets open. Let's go. Hi, Zach, how are you? Hi, Gomez. Morning. Happy Friday to all of you. All right, guys, I won't be, buying and selling on the chart here because I'm copy trading today. And when I connect my one account here, 1 second, then it won't copy trades on my other account. That is a nice reaction. Let's see. Or maybe it goes straight to all-time high, leaving us behind. Previous week high is not too far. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, that is 2.4. It's a nice bullish reaction. I want to go long, but I'll wait. About 80, 86, about 90 points. Stop. 90 points stop. So, okay, right. Okay, guys, I'm going small, long here. 1 second. Okay. And my stop loss is below this low, and I'm targeting all-time high and then above that. Okay, so my entry is, I'll just write it down here so you all know where I enter. And my entry is 29645. 29645. Uh, okay, that's where I entered. And this is my stop loss. And this 1.47, not enough risk to reward. I went very small risk here. As I told you, I'm already 3.5 hour up, but this looks really nice to me. All good, all good. Zach, you had a nice morning. Yeah, you had some good wins this morning. Did anybody see it from tweeted today on social just before the maybe in a half an hour before market open? And he goes, stock market to the record highs or something like that. The guy is Trump is such a fuel for the markets these days. You know, he one tweet is just in trillions, move the market in trillions. You know, so okay. Let's see how the trade works. Okay, we tap into this fair value gap, and let's see how he reacts here. Who else is in the trade? Anybody went long, or you have a different bias? You're looking for a short, or looking for TGIF today, or you fed up like me from TGIF? Feel like I'm never gonna trade TGIF ever. You know, I tried 3 weeks in a row and never worked. And it's like I got like a phobia from TGIF now. That's a good reaction. That is really nice reaction of this fair value gap. We got CISD above here as well. Now the price need to shoot. Come on, man. Okay, let's see if we get 4 hour inversion on this FVG as well. 4 hour candle. We got 25 minutes, 24 minutes, 25 minutes, but hopefully we got something. Yeah, good. Are we looking on 15 minutes? 15 minutes looks nice. Nice. Smaller risk. You long on ES. Okay. Toby, you in. Zach, you in with me. Okay, good. So ES, yeah, ES. I don't know. I never traded ES to be honest with you. I don't know. I just stick with NQ. When NQ can print for you, why I need to look into YM or ES or a gold? Yeah, gold sometimes, but I don't look at ES. Yeah, sometimes they are cleaner. ES is more cleaner than NQ, NQ chops, but I just stick with that. I don't like it. The way it's just hanging around here. We got a London high as well. So I need a very aggressive push above this level, you know, because of this fair value gap. I mean, we need to move quickly. Guys, feel free to take the profits whenever you're happy. Manage your risk accordingly. I won't be telling you guys when to take the profits or not. If you're happy now and you went to like a big size, oh, happy to take some dubs, you know, some profit. Oh, I mean, we already like what 60, 70 points since our entry. No, yeah, 60945, yeah, mostly about 60 points up. So if you're happy with the 60, 70 points, that's good. But I always look for more like a couple of hours trade, rather than few minute scalps. If you guys happy, frame a book some profits and manage your risk, move the stop loss accordingly. Yeah. But so far the candle looks really nice. We go closer over there, so I don't want a candle come back and just engulf all of that. So it should looks clean to the previous week high. Okay, let's screenshot it. Just what I do is that's it, done. All right, okay, just makes sense. This makes sense. Smaller risk, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Give me some. See, 48. Yeah, I went 3 contracts long, so I close only one contract, one micro. So that's what I do. I just when I trail the stop loss and I keep booking the profits as well. I just don't want to expose myself 100% completely. Maybe I just out of 3 contracts, I close 2 contracts here on the top, so I'm just holding 2 contracts. So I'll close another contract uh, when we reach 50% of this. Probably here, just before previous week high, and then hold one runner till I get stopped out. It's a nice reaction so far. Very good. Good, good. Could you explain the thesis behind the trade, please, Kumar? Of course, I can. Okay, so when we came to the market, I was telling you that I'm bullish. The bullish is because of the high time frame, how we reacted to the high time frames. This morning, we tapped into a 6 hour. Okay, let's go here while the trade is playing. Guys, when I'm not looking at that trade, please manage accordingly. Right, okay. In this London session, what happened? We rejected from the 4 hour, tapped into the 6 hour fair value gap, and such a nice reaction. Every time we tapped into the 6 hour fair value gaps, like this, sorry, no, this one here, there we go, and see the reaction. So the market is clearly telling us that market is want to go high. So how it works is every time we are in a bullish price, bullish range, all that, every time price goes test into some internal sort of liquidity, then external, then internal, then external. So we already tapped into this internal liquidity here. We go really nice bounce off. I was watching this 4 hour, 1 hour fair value gaps as well. So this 1 hour fair value gap from London as well, we failed to close below this, and we inverted this 1 hour fair value gap before the market as well. So now clear liquidity and clear drawn liquidity basically is our all-time high. So when the market open over here, before the market, we have this 15 minutes fair value gap. Price opened, straightway came down, failed to close below previous day high, took all the liquidity, inverted all this bearish fair value gap and order blocks. From here, all this candle closed, leaving a fair value gap, back to back fair value gaps, Oh, that's not good. Okay, let it be. So back-to-back fair value gaps here, these two, and price going up. So when this happened, I was looking, it's a very nice bullish delivery. The price want to go and hit this previous week high. So that was my reason to enter the trade. CISD, fair value gap, retested the fair value gap, nice reaction out of it. All this is a confirmation that, yeah, price want to go higher. Maybe it can be another ILM, like exactly the same price action that we happened in Asia high. If you look at Asia high, that's how the Asia high swapped, inverted fair value gap, leaving another bearish fair value gap, and then we hit Asia low. Same happened here as well when we in Asia high, exactly the same. Look very similar price action both. But I won't micromanage my position. As I said, I already book profit on one micro here on the top, so I have a very small risk anyways. So we're still green, we're not in the red. Any of alts book any partials, or you still in full position? Gomez, did I explain well? Did you understand what I meant, why I entered the trade? Okay, no worries, welcome. So all of you are in full risk on, yeah? No partials done. If I wasn't on the trade and well, actually, I won't go short. Obviously, I was looking at this morning as well. To I'm looking at bullish price action, but it's Friday. Maybe TGI if he's playing today. Let's see how this happen on this. Well, in this price action, we already into the position. We can't really do anything. We have to hold our trade till we get stop out, or Okay, good. Z, did you take any profits when we were here? After entry, we were like, what, 70 points. We had a 70-point move. Did any of you take any profits? Hi, DB. Good morning. Happy Friday. Okay, you didn't go, okay, too heavy, just half risk. Yeah, same. I went half risk as well because I don't want to ruin my, that's the thing, guys. When you have a really nice day or a whole week, you just don't want to be greedy and I'll just, throw some large contracts and large position size in. You need to be sensible. For example, Zach had a nice day. Yeah, he didn't go full risk on because he already had. He don't want to risk what he made. He don't want to be greedy. I don't want to be greedy. I had 3 point R. Okay, I can risk maybe a 1 hour only on a half risk trade, right? And if it won't go in my accordingly, then it's still fine. Half risk minus 1 hour. That's it. Quality day, nice week. That's it. So, I mean, you need to see when you have to sit out and when you have to take extra risk. Exactly, you have to protect your wins. That's how the compounding works. If you, I mean, keep risking whatever you earning, whatever you making, then it's, you're not moving, you're not going anywhere. You did take profits and I'm out. Okay, that's good. At least you got some good, good. Yeah, I mean, some people, as I said last week as well, on last stream as well, some people looking for like, some small scalp 30, 40 points. Well, we did our 70 points. 70 points a lot in any queue. People, I mean, make in 40, 50 points alone, a lot of money. But I look for more points. I don't do micro. I want to do it, but it's very stressful. For me, it's easier to sit in a trade like this one and then let it play. Okay, the price is just not doing anything. Doesn't look very good. But of course, out of three contracts, I'm out one only two. So if I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna probably lose what 0.5 R. So I'm gonna stick on the trade. Probably if I'll stop out on this trade, then I'll be watching very patiently because Friday, end of the week, I did really good. I have like 8 days winning streak now today. Well, yeah, still 8 days. So don't want to ruin that. Yes. Okay. Yes, we all aiming to previous week high, all time high. Yes. So TP1 plus stop loss B hit. Okay. So where did you move your stop loss? Or your stop loss was okay. I didn't move because still this uh, price is still respecting this fair value gap, So till this guy inverted, I mean, I have nothing else to do. Then I'll wait for my stop loss to hit. There was a days, I mean, by the way, it's not even a year since I started trading and learning from Sync, to be honest. I started in July last year with Sync. And uh, and since then, obviously, the first few months, obviously, we all struggle, to control our emotions and uh, taking the profit early in formal entries or revenge trades and stuff like that. I mean, I had no patience at all. I mean, I'm so bad in like, just sitting without doing anything. I was so bad. I mean, first 6 months I was so bad, but by now, if I was like 6 months ago, I already have closed this trade or I already took the profit away here and just call it a day. But now I just wait, let the price do. It took me a long time to, I mean, practice this emotional stability. Uh, I I struggle a lot, to be honest. I struggle a lot because I'm a very impulsive guy. I just react to the things very quickly. So that's was really holding me behind. Not a good reaction so far. It is what it is. Come on. Look like you're gonna stop us out. I was 15 minutes looking. 15 minutes looking ultra shit. Right, okay, so look like we now gonna close above this fair value gap on 4 hour. We got another 9 minutes to go. But lot can happen in 9 minutes. We can reach to an all-time high in 9 minutes. But still, I mean, if we get stop out, but I'm not sold for any bearish price action, to be honest. Probably I'm gonna sit out, just call it a week, and that's it. Nice day, grab a beer later on. That is very important, DB. That's emotional stability is very important in trading. Without this, any good setup won't work. I mean, we emotionally react to the things, and we ruin all our progress, our setups, our every single thing, So this is very important. You need to practice it. You need to get better. Imagine price comes here, sweep all that, stop us out, tap into this, leave a fair value gap, and boom. It happens so many times with me. That's why I always take partial. So at least, I have something if price goes, and I have something if price come back and stop me out. So revenge trends, no patience. Okay. You blew 40 accounts, what, funded accounts or evils? You till see the thing is, till you get that emotional stability, understand the patience and discipline, you won't uh, get to where what I'm trying to say is doesn't matter how many accounts you can buy and evils try to pass them in a day, or you get funded and then you have an account and you will just want to get like payouts. Everything is fine, but they won't work till you get emotional stability. Simple as that. It's sometimes less reaction. I've noticed one thing: the less you react to the markets, the more better for you. I mean, price is up and down. I can be just all over the place by now. I mean, fucking hell. I mean, I'm gonna be stopped out. I enter here and I'll this and that. I like flipping just all over the place. All the I'm gonna be emotional shit by now. But in last 6 months I've developed, well, this is my business, right? I'm gonna do is fucking the rest of my life. So what's the point stressing about every single move the market giving me now, up and down? That's market nature anyways. The market going to do all the time. So I need to develop something that I won't react, micro reacting on every single candle that's coming up. I took the decision according to my analysis. Okay, price want to go there, this, I want to go long, and that's it. And after that I have nothing to do. If you're going to stop me out, simple. Your problem is greed, few funded and mostly evils, is not taking profit when it is. Well, see, that's why we have set uh, discipline in our industry. Why the discipline is, why the set conditions and parameters is, because emotionally maybe okay, you don't want to take like a profit, you want to be greedy, but that's why you set the rules for yourself that you want to cut the trade when you hit 2R or 2.5R or 3R. For example, this morning I was talking about a trade. Yes, it hit Asia high. I did see that you're going to go to Asia high when the price came down here. Yes, I have like, I was very, very sure. Well, there's nothing sure in the market, but I was very confident that you're going to hit Asia high. But I cut down over here because when I entered the trade, my target was only 2R or 2.5R. That's it. Maybe it can go to previous day low, or maybe previous week low, or maybe fucking go to zero. Who cares? I don't care, because my target was only this 2R, 2.5R, and I'm out of the market. If I wasn't out of the market, then probably I'm looking for a previous day low. I'll be already stopped out and minus now, right? So sometimes you have to decide your target is maybe a 2R, or maybe in the dollar terms. You want to earn 200, 500 P each account. And when you hit your target, close the fucking laptop and go enjoy your life. See your friends, spend time with family, go to gym, do something nice. Oh, that's so slow, man. This is so slow. This is so slow. Well, I have nothing else to do here. We have to wait for our stop loss to hit. At least for mine. I don't know if you guys in or out. I'm not sure. Yeah, some of you took partials and profits, and then some of you still in. Okay. Oh, recently, we got a really nice price action in London and Asia, and then when we come to New York, look at this price action, and exactly the same yesterday. It was so shit price action, and when it passed 1 hour, 2 hour, and like after 11 o'clock, half past 11, New York time, and then we can get some clean move. I mean, if you go yesterday's price action, that was yesterday's price action, I think. Yes. Okay. Previous day low, yes, and then this all chop here, and then did nothing till wow, and then after that you get some this and look like this today, and look at how nice London was pre-market, and London was, you got clean setups. Price in the first FVG, if you invert, I think you will dump what first FVG, the opening candle of the first day FVG. Yeah, look at this. One candle up, one candle down. There's nothing. That was a really nice candle. And look at the next candle. I mean, looking at this candle, it looked like, yes, now this is the time the price want to go. I'm going to just move out here so we won't 44, 45 here. Okay. Yeah, this candle says, yes, this is the time we want to go. And then look at the next candle. Yes, yeah, this candle, yes. If we close below this, and then we have this one, so but I won't go short. I mean after this I probably call it a day and a week. I don't want to. Yeah, that was what's the point? I mean, the whole aim, the whole purpose of this trading is what? To make a money, right? Simple as that. And if I already made my daily money, daily target or weekly target, why the fuck I'm bothered about where the price want to go? You want to go down, down. Yes, I took one risk. That's fine. My risk is limited to here. If it's come, stop me out. Fine, fair enough. And I took the risk only that I can afford to lose. So I'm risking only after one partial here, I'm risking only minus 0.54. Are you in the short here, Iliada, now? The best time, if it wasn't in the long, the best time to go short when I said ILM here. Because if I wasn't in the long, I would take that trade. London high sweep came down, inverted this, leaving a fair value gap, retested the fair value gap, CISD. I mean, I have all the recipe to go short here. All the recipe to go short here. So I didn't go, of course. I was in the trade, on this candle when it's retested and this candle closed with a small risk, maybe here. You can, and you already hit what? You are already by now. That's the ILM play. Here's my stop loss. I'm out. Why is not triggered? No, still not triggered. What the fuck? What? It didn't on MNQ. It didn't hit. Didn't go below this. It's only NQ hit on this. I'm still in. Anybody still in? Because if you get rid of this, oh, sorry. Look at this wick. We don't have this wick on MNQ, but I think it will go now and stop me out. But so far, I'm still in. I'll let it play. Okay, ILM. Okay, not now. Okay. I don't understand ILM. Could you explain, bro? Yes, I will. ILM stands for inverted liquidity model. So basically, any sort of liquidity, session liquidity, or previous day or previous week liquidity, or internal liquidity, when the price take that liquidity and straightway inverted, that's called ILM model. For example, here the price come to London high, took all this liquidity here, leaving a fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap. And what happened after this? Straightway come last two candles inverted this all bullish price action, candle closed below, leaving a fair value gap. So this is your trigger to go short. So basically ILM is a reversal model. So when this happen on this candle inverted, you straightway go. Some people go on the close of this candle, put the stop loss above here or above swing and target opposite side of the liquidity. Or some people, what they do, they wait for this fair value gap to tap into and put their limit order, or just enter market, enter the trade and go short and target fixed 2R or opposite side of the liquidity, depends. So this is ILM model. What he is doing. Okay. Why I'm still not here? What all-time high is still waiting. Still waiting for this to here. Am I stopped out? Come on, man, stop me out. No, still not stopped out. Still not stopped out. Right. Okay, this is out of the way. Yes, there we go. I'm stopped out now, guys. So minus 0.5 hour for the session. Okay. Look like this price want to do. Okay, not in trade anymore. Okay. Anyways, guy, that's it. I won't take any more trades. Calling it a day and a week today. Plus 3R today, and good. I think I'm up about 12, 13 hour, 14 hour this week. So I had a good week. So next week, market is always there. You can make some good money next week, So if you have any questions, you can ask me because I have to run. I have to be somewhere. Okay, if anyone have any questions, let me know. And thanks for joining the stream. And all of you have a lovely weekend. And I'll see you on Monday. By the way, for the mentees and who trades London session, Monday is UK bank holiday. So it will be like choppy price action. So probably avoid it. Anyways, okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye.